Hey, we see, I'm back with a new video. I got today my new Leppard double LP set, Drastic Symphonies with a Royal Philharmonic Orchestra. This is a double picture LP set. It comes in this gatefold and let's take a look at the vinyl. 180 gram vinyl picture LPs, LP number 1 with this nice picture, and the second LP again a nice picture, and this was a limited edition and it comes with this nice signed certificate, signed by the whole band, and I'm so glad to have this in my collection, and I hope the music is so good. All the hits are on this double LP, like Animal, Pour Some Sugar on Me, Hysteria, Love Bites, and a new Leppard double LP. That was this very short video for today, and I'm so glad to have this signed version in my collection, and till the next video, cheers!